The concept of passive income has been around for over 2,000 years, with the ancient Greeks using a system of rental properties to generate wealth without actively working for it. It's the year 1776, and we're in the midst of the American Revolution, where founding father Benjamin Franklin is busy printing his own currency and investing in real estate. He's buying up properties in Philadelphia for $100 apiece and renting them out to eager tenants for a tidy profit. But here is where it gets interesting. Franklin's real estate investments are just the beginning, as he's also dabbling in the world of dividend-paying stocks, where companies like the East India Company are paying out $10 per share to their loyal investors. And then something unexpected happened: the advent of the Industrial Revolution, which created a whole new class of investors looking to generate passive income through investments in factories and machinery. Nobody saw what came next: the rise of the wealthy elite, who used their passive income streams to amass fortunes that would last for generations. But the most surprising thing about this story is that the wealthy elite didn't actually work harder than anyone else. They just worked smarter by creating systems that generated income without requiring their direct involvement. The lesson for us today is that building multiple streams of passive income is key to achieving financial freedom, whether it's through investing in dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or even creating and selling our own digital products. By creating systems that generate income without requiring our direct involvement, we can free ourselves up to pursue our passions and build wealth that will last for generations. So, what's the one thing you can do today to start building your own passive income empire?